Embark on a journey to maximize your wealth through proven strategies in effective social media management with ChatGPT. Discover how this powerful AI tool can elevate your online presence, engage your audience, and ultimately contribute to your financial success. ChatGPT in social media management. Unleash the potential for unprecedented wealth accumulation as we delve into the realm of strategic content creation and marketing. ChatGPT becomes your invaluable partner, guiding you through the intricacies of tailoring content to captivate your audience. Crafting compelling messages, generating shareable posts, and designing attention-grabbing visuals are seamlessly accomplished with the assistance of this AI powerhouse. It doesn't just streamline your efforts, it turbocharges your content game, ensuring that every piece you publish has the potential to resonate with your audience, driving traffic, and ultimately boosting your earning potential. This strategic approach transforms your social media presence from a mere existence to a lucrative avenue for wealth generation. Crafting compelling content, elevate your message. One of the keys to successful social media management is crafting compelling content that resonates with your audience. ChatGPT becomes your ally in this endeavor, providing assistance in generating engaging and relevant posts. From witty captions to informative articles, let ChatGPT empower your content creation process, saving you time and effort. Strategic scheduling. Optimize your posting times. Timing is everything in the social media world. ChatGPT helps you navigate the optimal posting schedule by analyzing trends, user activity, and platform algorithms. With strategic scheduling, your content reaches the right audience at the right time, maximizing engagement and, ultimately, your earning potential. Audience engagement. Foster meaningful connections. Building a loyal audience is paramount for wealth generation through social media. ChatGPT can help you respond to comments, messages, and inquiries with personalized and authentic interactions. Engaging with your audience in a meaningful way strengthens relationships and establishes trust, laying the foundation for financial success. Monetization strategies. Turning clicks into cash. Beyond just managing your social media, ChatGPT can guide you in implementing effective monetization strategies. From affiliate marketing to sponsored content, explore avenues to turn your online presence into a revenue-generating asset. ChatGPT helps you navigate the nuances of monetization, ensuring a seamless integration that adds to your overall wealth. ChatGPT as your trendspotter. Social media trends evolve rapidly, and staying ahead is essential for sustained success. ChatGPT acts as your trend spotter, analyzing emerging topics, hashtags, and viral content. By aligning your strategy with the latest trends, you not only stay relevant, but also open doors to new opportunities for wealth creation. Enhancing visual appeal. AI-powered graphics and imagery. In the visually driven landscape of social media, aesthetics matter. ChatGPT extends its capabilities beyond text, assisting you in creating visually appealing graphics and imagery. The road ahead. Navigating challenges with ChatGPT. Social media management is not without its challenges, but with ChatGPT by your side, you can navigate them effectively. Whether it's handling negative feedback, addressing crises, or adapting to algorithm changes, ChatGPT provides guidance and support, ensuring that your online journey remains on the path to success. Elevate your wealth. As you embark on this journey to maximize your wealth through effective social media management with ChatGPT, remember to stay updated with the latest insights and tips. Subscribe to our channel for regular doses of AI wisdom, social media strategies, and wealth-building advice. Your success is just a click away. Embark on this transformative journey with ChatGPT and witness the positive impact on your social media presence and, consequently, your wealth. Subscribe now and let's continue this empowering adventure together.